I brought this as a gift to give away, but I'm going to use it to make breakfast.
It's still a little bit more frozen. We'll get it. But I got it plugged in over to another post.
I always figure if I'm paying for electricity, I might as well use electricity as much as I can.
Pretty sweet, huh? Alright, that's bacon cooking.
The sound of bacon cooking is a beautiful thing.
Yum, 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 yum. You get the idea. Okay. Ah, my hands are cold. And the eggs are like frozen. I gotta search for shells. Alright, I'm gonna try this thing. Thrift store. Should get them nice and aerated. Alright. I'm not using all of these for this meal. I'm gonna have some for something else. So I'm gonna take some out. And go the eggs. Alright, lazy way. It wants to rain. Yay. It's always raining. See if I can beat the rain. I'll take this inside now. Finish it off in there. Hold on. Alright, we're plugged in. What was I thinking? That I could actually go outside and it not rain. So, Class Bs, you know what I'm saying? Brought a tiny toaster. You can get a lot of things in a Class B. It's then what do you do with them when they're dirty? Oh, all those things. Alright, we're going to turn that off. I like my eggs. This thing works pretty good. It's a little big for a Class B, but I never planned on taking this thing on a trip, but here it is. And a bit more cheese. And my toast.
I don't film a lot of breakfast cooking, but I'm a big fan of breakfast.
Alright. There is the toast. Eggs with peppers and mushrooms and bacon over there. Time for some sriracha. Let's give it a try. First of all, the bacon, because bacon's always good. And I hardly ever eat bacon. Oh, man. Alright, and there we go. And coffee. Breakfast is a good meal. Have a great and wonderful day.
The rest of the day was pretty rainy and overcast, so here's a little music. Sums up the whole day.
Hello, YouTubers. There will be no sunset this evening. There's the view out of the RV to the lake. And sadly, it has been doing this for a few hours now. So day 2 in Ottenoggin will have no sunset. None, nada, no sunset. Such is life. Hoping for a better day tomorrow. What we do here in a small Class B, this is my Velcro strip. And I take a trash bag and I hang it from the door handle here. I use a Velcro strip, put the hood of the raincoat in, and then my raincoat's in there. Because there's not a great place to put a raincoat in a small van. So that's what I do.